In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from Expert Option. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover in the left side panel and click Finances, where you can view your account balance, active trades, and account settings. And then go to the withdrawal section where you can manage fund transfers from your Expert Option account. Inside the withdrawal page, you will see the available payment methods. Keep in mind that available methods may vary depending on your country, account type, and previous deposit methods. Now, in my case, I am going to use GCash. Now, all I have to do here is enter the GCash information such as the amount, GCash account number, your first name and last name, and the email, and then click the new request. Once submitted, open your GCash app and check your wallet balance. You should receive a notification once the funds arrive successfully. Keep in mind that if the withdrawal is delayed beyond the stated processing period, you need to contact the Expert Option support for assistance and provide your transaction details. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to withdraw money from Expert Option. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.